So yeah, we're going to do seated tennis today. So I've got lots of adaptive equipment so everyone can take part. And yeah, we work with players up to 102 years old. Right, all set to start. So we've used these before, we're going to be passing them around. So if you take that one, I'm going to pass it on to Jean. And we'll get another one coming on here. Might need you to come into the middle here. If you take that one, you're going to pass it to Maureen. You're going to throw it to Maureen. So if we can speed up, go a bit quicker, go a bit quicker. Here's another one. You can throw them to anyone now, so you can catch them on the ends. And you're going to throw and catch. Ready? Get a couple going on, so you can throw to anyone you want. Yeah, so we use a lot of scarves, which slow it down, so they're easier to throw and catch. We have adaptive, we use nets and balls, which make it easier for people to use. And then we use smaller rackets as well, and then we use a lot of balloons. Nice, nice. Go on, go on. Nice, a little bit of football. We have a wide range of people who come to the sessions, and yeah, we're able to use the equipment to really tailor it. We've got like bigger equipment, smaller equipment, got things they can use to grip onto things and help them to catch as well. Okay, so got some targets for you to try and knock off. Got this one here as well, you can try and hit that. But yeah, you're going to try and aim and knock the balls off. Don't normally get it on my first shot.
Oh, you nearly got in there.
You don't get bonus points for getting me. There you go. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Good shot.
We have a lot of people that want to do this rather than the arts and crafts. I think it's just something more active, just keeping them going. Yeah, we've got a couple of the ladies that were here that can't mobilise using their legs without equipment, but they can move their arms, and that makes them feel like they're joining in. But they can also, you know, if they can stand, they will stand and help pick up the balls and everything. But yeah, it just keeps them moving and keeps them independent, which keeps them, you know, the brain going, doesn't it?
Last couple of shots, nice. 3, 4 shots. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From everyone who comes, they just say that they just love how they feel normal and they're able to take part. And it's all a social aspect as well.
How did you find the tennis this morning? Did you enjoy it?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, look forward to it.
How does it make you feel?
Pardon?
How does it make you feel?
Oh, young again.
Fantastic, lovely.
I've enjoyed the game of tennis. I think it's a good game. It's good for coordination. It's getting people moving, and also they're able to sit down and take it easy at the same time without always overdoing it. But it's a good side to it, and it's fun, and everybody seems to enjoy it. So we look forward to it, which is a nice thing.
Yeah, nice. You're the backhand king. Hey, nice. Hey.
Tennis we all like. It seems to get you going, you know. It livens you up, you know. Yeah. And they're all very nice here, you know.
My mum's Rita, yeah. How long's Rita been here? She's the longest resident here. It's 14 years now, yeah. So, yeah, she's the longest one here, yeah.
And she normally takes part in the...
She always comes, yeah. She didn't used to. She would never get involved in any of the activities. But now, as I say, she loves coming to this, and she's just not very well today, so she hasn't been able to attend. But she's starting to get involved in them all and that now. So, and this is what she really enjoys.
Do you think it's helped with her physical kind of mobility?
Yes, because she said she moves her arms a lot more than that now, but they're doing it, so it has helped. Yeah.
I think if they had a physiotherapist that was coming in and saying, right, I want you to walk up and down that corridor 3 or 4 times, I'd be like, oh, do I have to? But because of the fun element of it, and everybody's doing the same thing, everyone's joining in, so they enjoy that.
Okay. See if you do little taps, so see if you can keep it going, like.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Like keep it going like a swing ball.
Oh, I see.
That's it. I'll go a little higher for you. Side. Reach.
I can't get that way.
Go on, reach. You can get it. You can. See, nice one.